Hello everyone, so today in this video I am going to share how to archive and unarchive WhatsApp all chats conversation in Android. So firstly open your WhatsApp. Now select the chat. Now click on the three dot which is on the top right. Now click on the select all. Now tap on the third option which is archived. Now here you can see that all chats has been archived now. So if you want to unarchive them, then just click on the unarchived option. Now select the chat. Now click on the three dot. Now click on the select all. Now click on the unarchived option. Here you can see that all chats has been unarchived now. Thank you for watching.